Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about flushing time and other dispersal timescales. Yeah? So what is that? Flushing time. What is dispersal? Dispersal actually means diffusive and advective spreading. Okay, and you already learned what diffusion is and you learned what advection is. There's a timescale associated with it. Okay? So, all right. So, here's the outline. What is the flushing time concept? What does it do? What does it mean? And then we talk about different dispersal timescales. Flushing time, indeed, you can work out the flushing time for an entire positive estuary, what's called bulk estimate, or you can work it out for individual regions. Okay? There's something that we call water age. Okay, I introduce you to that concept. And there's something else that we call residence time. What's the difference between flushing time and residence? Okay. And then I show you some formula that you can use to calculate flushing times for positive estuaries. Okay, let's start first with the definition. Flushing time refers to the time it takes for a water body of interest to be replaced by external water. It's pretty much like a toilet flushing if you want. You flush, how long does it take to replace the water? Okay. In the oceans, it's a little bit more tricky because you have to define your area of interest. So it's a subjective choice of which area do you consider important. You know, it could be an important ecological habitat, you know. Okay, so the flushing time concept is a scientific aid for decision makers to determine allowable disposal loads, handle accidental spills of harmful or toxic material, and to design emergency procedures for industrial disaster situations. Okay? And indeed, if you want to develop new industries for large-scale industrial developments and involving marine resources or discharging pollutants into the marine environment, flushing time is an important concept. How long does a pollutant stay in a certain region? Okay, so let's get started.